Going back to Content Builder, you may be asking, what exactly is Content Builder? What makes it so special? Well, Content Builder is the upgraded feature of the system, Marketing Cloud, in which we send out all of our broadcast emails. It's a tool that consolidates various types of content, such as different image files, for example, in one location, here, and it has a drag and drop interface. And it's that drag and drop interface that makes it special. Because before, we used to train volunteers in classic content, which you can still navigate to here. And you can toggle back and forth between classic content and Content Builder. So if you ever find yourself in classic content, not to worry, because you can just click on Content Builder next to it. But within classic content, you did not have that drag and drop interface. So they definitely made it all simpler, made it more user-friendly by enabling that feature where you can now drag and drop the different content blocks that you have when creating your emails. But let's go back into Content Builder. So whenever you're creating an email, you want to be sure you're working out of Content Builder. And now that we understand what exactly Content Builder is and why it's so much better than classic content, we can start to look at its structure. So looking here to the left, you'll notice this folder structure here. And if you expand domestic or international, let's do domestic, it'll show you all of the different cities for the different clubs. And so here are the different folders, and here is the content found within these folders. So if you don't yet see your club's city here, whether that's expanding the domestic folder or even the international folder, if you don't see your club name here, you'll definitely see it by the time we send you your login credentials. And in addition to sending you your login credentials, there are a few pieces that we'll already have configured for you. So I just want to take a moment to talk about those different pieces. So the first is the sender profile, and that's comprised of the from name, the from email, the reply name, and the reply to email. And that'll all be bundled together that we will set up specifically for your club. So in that finished example that I showed you, the from name was the Georgetown Club of Olympia, but in your case, it'll be the Georgetown Club of blank, your club. And by default, the reply email is alumniclubs@georgetown.edu. But if you have your own club email that you'd want to use instead, just let us know and we'll change that up for you. The next thing is the recipient list, and that's data queries based on your region. And by default, you'll have the option of sending to alumni in your region or to alumni and current parents in your region. You also have the opt-out category, which we'll set up for you. And it's set up to exclude those who have opted out of club and regional emails. So you don't have to worry about accidentally sending an email to someone who may not want to receive it. And finally, we'll have the email template set up for you, which again, from that finished example, was comprised of the club banner, the footer, and some styling that will already get taken care of for you.